आयची प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आम्ही पणजेकार अगेन्स्ट कझिनोन आपयल्या. इंग्लिशीन प्रेस नोट रीड करू काय कोंकणीन सांगू? So, Ponjekar against Casino strongly condemns the taking over of our capital city Panjim by the casino industry. Casinos have occupied prime road space, footpaths and our public spaces. Even our view of the river is blocked by the huge casino hoardings and offices on the river promenade. When you enter Panjim, all you see is casino signage everywhere. So basically आम्ही निषेध करता की ही आमची पणजे सिटी आसा ती अख्खे कझिनोन घेतल्या, ऑक्युपाय केला. ते रस्त्यार बॅरिकेडाचेर ॲडवर्टिजमेंट, फुटपाथाचेर तेणी ऑक्युपाय केला. व्हडले व्हडले सायनेजीस आसा. आमी सिटीन एंटर करता आसतना ते सकलाचेर दिसता. मागीर बस स्टँडाचेर आमी अख्खे डिवायडर तेणी कझिनोचे घातला. सो ही सिटी कझिनोची सिटी अशें ॲडवर्टिजमेंट करता, ताजेर आमी निषेध करता. आनी हे फॉर इयर्स गव्हर्मेंट and the CCP have allowed the casinos free rein to use the city as they like. The casinos appear to be in connivance with the government by advertising in an illegal manner with a tacit understanding of the government and the CCP. So हे जे इलिगल ॲडवर्टिजमेंट चलता ते सरकार आणि सीसीचे पीचे तांकां कितें म्हणटा ते परमिशन ऑर अंडरस्टँडिंग आसा म्हणून हे चलता, नाजाल्यार हे रस्त्यार आसपाचें न्ही. Now, Ponjekar against casinos have decided to reclaim the capital city from the casinos. And one important step has been to file an RTI with CCP asking for data on casino advertisements on barricades and hoardings and the revenue received for these advertisements. ना इतली वर्सां आतां हे कॅझिनोचे बॅरिकेड्स आसा आनी आमकां सदां सांगता की हे रेवेन्यू CCP येता. सो आमी एक RTI घातलेले CCPक विचारपाक तेणी कितले परमिशन दिला बॅरिकेड घालपाक आनी कितले पयशे येता ते. सो ही हो आमकां रिस्पॉन्स CCP कडल्यान आयला. RTIचो हो रिस्पॉन्स आमकां CCP कडल्यान आयला आनी सो दे सेड विथ we had asked question was number of casino advertisements on barricades in Panjim and CCP areas for which permission is granted location wise. वो आमचो प्रश्न आसलो and their answer is no permission has been granted by this office. मागीर दुसरी क्वेश्चन आसलो revenue collected from the advertisement from casinos of these as on barricades not applicable. म्हणजे की तेणी परमिशन दिवना जाल्यार रेवेन्यूय कलेक्ट करूना. मागीर आमी विचारलेले नंबर ऑफ कझिनो ॲडवर्टिजमेंट ऑन होर्डिंग्स अँड देयर लोकेशन फॉर विच परमिशन इज ग्रांटेड. सो रिस्पॉन्स आयला नो परमिशन हॅज बीन ग्रांटेड in view of the suo moto writ petition number 1 of 2007 and public interest litigation writ petition number 32 of 2011 pending before the Honorable High Court of Bombay at Goa. And next question, revenue collected from those advertisements on hoardings not applicable. which permission ही दिवना hoardinga, so no revenue has been collected. सो तुम्ही पळयात आतां की CCPन तर हे ॲडवर्टिजमेंटाक परमिशन दिवना बॅरिकेडाचेर, ना होर्डिंगाचेर परमिशन दिवना आनी तांकां कांयच रेवेन्यू येना जाल्यार हेंकां फ्री ॲडवर्टिजमेंट करपाक कोणे परवानगी दिली आनी सरकार कितें करता. सो in light of CCP's response to our RTI, we met the Commissioner, Mr. Glenn Madeira, on 16th March and pointed out the irregularities we have discovered. We brought the RTI to his notice and asked him to remove the advertisements as CCP had not given permission. the matter immediately and would also inquire with the police as barricades are generally put up by the police. So आमी 16 तारखेर कमिशनराक मेळपाक गेल्ली आनी त्या टायमार नाशिल्लो पूण मागीर तो आयलो आनी तो आमकां मेळ्ळो आनी आमी ही जी RTI इन्फॉर्मेशन आमकां मेळ्ळें तें आमी कमिशनराक दाखयलें आनी आमी म्हणलें की जेन्ना CCPन परमिशन दिवंकूच ना जाल्यार आनी एडवर्टिजमेंट CCP इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर गिविंग परमिशन तर तुमी तर परमिशन दिवना जाल्यार हे सगळे एडवर्टिजमेंट कशें तुमी अलाव केले सो ते इमिजिएटली तुमी काडपाक जाय सो CCP कमिशनरान सांगलें आय विल लूक इन टू द मॅटर I will also check with the police department कि त्या police department puts up the barricades. So आमी decide केले की आमी वचून ट्रॅफिक पुलिसाक विचारून गेली कारण तेणी हे परमिशन दिला जाल्यार बॅरिकेड घालपाक सो अ डेलिगेशन ऑफ पंजीकार अगेन्स्ट casinos then met SP Traffic Mr. Shirvaikar who categorically stated that the barricades with the casino advertisements have not been issued by them and they do not belong to the traffic police either. The department does have their own barricades with their logo displayed on it. Okay, so आमकां SP ट्रॅफिकान सांगलें की आमी परमिशन दिवना आनी ताणें सरन सांगलें एटलीस्ट हांव आसा मेरेन आमी केन्ना कजिनोचे हें घेवना एडवर्टिजमेंट घेवना आनी आमचे बॅरिकेड जे आसा ते आमकां हेड ऑफिसांतल्यान आमकां येयला तेतूर पुलीस लोगो आसता आनी ते बॅरिकेड जे आसा ते आमी डिफरंट पुलीस स्टेशनाक तेणीन धाडला म्हणून आतां हे सगळें आमी RTI घालून लिखीत जबाब मागला कारण अशें रिटन आसल्यार बरें मागीर जेन्ना आमकां पुलिसां कडल्यान रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो की तेणी बॅरिकेड घालूना म्हणून एडवर्टिजमेंटाक परमिशन दिवना म्हणून आमी परत कमिशनराक वचून लेटर घातला आनी वी हॅव सॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द पुलीस हेडक्वॉर्टर्स ऑल्सो आनी we have written to the commissioner with these findings demanding that since the barricades are unauthorized and illegal they should be removed immediately. So ही आमची मागणी की ही जे बॅरिकेड्स आसा विथ कजिनो एडवर्टिजमेंट ते इमिजिएटली CCP कमिशनरान काडचे आतां आमकां हो प्रश्न येता why have CCP commissioners and governments in power over the years not checked on illegal casino advertisements? Okay, with this illegal and free advertising the casinos have got enough privilege over the years. Why is the CCP hesitating to remove the barricades and the advertisements? This sounds suspicious and we need answers from the CCP and the government. जेन्ना CCPन परमिशन दिवना ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी परमिशन दिवना जाल्यार हे कशें तेणी अलाव केले सो हाजो जबाब आमी सरकारा कडेन आनी CCP कडेन आमी मागता Now, gambling should not be advertised just like tobacco or alcohol. In fact, Goa Gambling Act prevents advertisement of gambling. No exception can be made for the gambling industry. Also, advertising of addiction-related industries cannot be allowed in public areas or near educational institutions. Yet we see advertisements in school and college campuses and as sponsors for events organized by government departments and universities in Goa. This normalizes the gambling industry for children and young people. A whole generation has grown up in Goa seeing the casinos and it is time to stop it. So, जशे सोऱ्याचेर आनी टोबॅकोचेर बंदी आसा जे स्कूल आसा रिलिजियस प्लेसीस आसा लार्ज गॅदरींग जे लोक चड कडेन आसा बस स्टँड्स हांगा कसले एडिक्टीव सबस्टन्साचे एडवर्टिजमेंट जावपाक जायना पूण तरी आसतना आमी पळयलां की हे गॅमलिंग वीच इज एडिक्टीव ताजे एडवर्टिजमेंट जाता आनी स्कुला भायर युनिवर्सिटीन आमी हे पळयता की इवन हांगा चर्ची कडेन टेम्पला कडेन सगळे कडेन ह्या रस्त्यार मार्गार सगळे कडेन आमकां हे कजिनो गॅमलिंग एडवर्टिजमेंट दिसता आनी अगेन वी आर रिपीटिंग हेजेर ताबडतोब बंदी हाडपाक जाय like Prime Minister visit the state, or for events that feature international delegates like G20 summit, the casino advertisements are hidden with a white cover, which is removed after the leave. Now, why this double standard for VVIPs? Is casino branding meant only for local goers to see and endure? Who has put the barricades is a question that the government has to answer, and there seems to be no accountability for advertising in the city. Can ordinary citizens put up advertisements on barricades? That's a war prashna. Suppose if these advertisements are there, why they put a white cover only when the VVIPs come? आणि ते वतकूच रोखडे मागीर ते व्हाईट कवर काडटा. सो हे एडवर्टिजमेंट कोणाक? आमकां, आमचे भुरग्यांक, गॅमलिंग एडिक्ट जावपाक? Now, Panjim is a heritage city, and the number of casino advertisements on every corner is an assault to the senses. It is an extreme case of visual pollution. तुम्ही पळयला वता थंय कजिनो एडवर्टिजमेंट राग येता. खूब जाणां म्हणटा हें कितें चल्ला पणजे, जो इमेज जो आमी पणजेचो केला की तो गॅमलिंग कॅपिटल म्हणून. सो आनी खूब जाणांक हें दुखता. सो आमकां हे कजिनो एडवर्टिजमेंट काडपाकूच जाय. Panjikar against casino demand that CCP remove the barricades immediately. If they are finding it difficult because of manpower constraints or other fears, citizens will volunteer and help the CCP to remove the barricades or paint over the unauthorized advertising. Citizens are ready to assist the inspectors to clean up the city of the illegality. And we hope the Commissioner will take immediate action this week and clear the city of illegal casino advertising. So, आम्ही लेटर दिला, अजूनपासून ते बॅरिकेड्स काडूना, थोडे कमी झाल्या, पण सरकारा कडेन तर जायना हे इल्लीगल एडवर्टिजमेंट काडपाक, जाल्यार आमी सगळीं पणजेकार आनी बाकीचेय लोक येवन हे बॅरिकेड्स काडपाक रेडी आसा आनी ते बी आमी पेंट करपाक रेडी आसा. आतां सेरेंडिपिटी टायमार व्हडले व्हडले बिल्डींग पेंट केला तेणी, पब्लिकाकूय आमी अलाव करचे हे सगळे बॅरिकेड्स पेंट करपाक. आनी लास्ट अशें हांवें सांगलां की आमी रावता की कमिशनर ताबडतोब हे एक्शन घेवचे आनी हे बॅरिकेड्स कजिनो एडवर्टिजमेंटाचे आसा ते तेणी ताबडतोब काडचे. एडवर्टिजमेंट चालू आसा, तुम्ही पळयला पयशे ना हांकां फ्री एडवर्टायजींग कित्याक करप? कितले करोडांनी पयशे तेणे केले आनी थोडे कजिनोन आजून इतले रीण आसा सरकाराक, ते पयशे सुद्दां तेणी फारीक करूं ना.
Panjikar against casino will file the complaint against these casinos if they are using illegal.
We've already filed. We filed with the CCA.
We have right now we have asked the commissioner letter घातला आमी कित्याक आमी RTI कित्याक तेणी परमिशन दिला जाल्यार ऑन वॉट बेसीस परमिशन दिला ते आमकां कळपाक जाय. आतां आमी RTI पुलीस हेडक्वॉर्टर्साकूय घातला, तेंचे रिस्पॉन्साक आमी रावता की तेणीन बी CSR बी घेतला जाल्यार आमकां खबर ना, पूण हे कितें ट्रॅफिक सेल आसा, मागीर डिस्ट्रिक्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट आसा न्ही, नॉर्थ गोवा, सावथ गोवा आनी आतां कुशावती आसा. सो आमी रिटन इन्फॉर्मेशन सोदला, ते उपरांत आमी डिसायड करतली कितें करपाचें.
But if CCP is the sole agency for advertising in the city, and they are responsible for keeping an eye on what advertisements are there in the city and who is paying and who is not paying. So just outside the commissioner's office, there are boards saying, all the casino ads are there, and the commissioner cannot say that he is not aware of it. We have, in our letter, we have asked the commissioner to immediately remove all of these illegal advertising from the city. And then they can take action on whatever it is, but this has to stop right now.
We saw a very shocking statement the other day made by the MLA of Panjim, and who's also a minister in this government, and it was on TV, and he says that the casinos are very strong. The casinos are very strong, and it seems that they are running the government. I don't know whether this is true. So we feel that there is rule of law. And if the commissioner or the CCP also, they are afraid of the casinos, if they feel they are very strong for whatever reason, that's why we said we are ready to go with the inspectors from board to board and remove every board. So they should not be frightened. We are there to support them. Nobody's going to beat them up. So we are ready to go with the inspectors if the CCP wants us to go with them. We do not believe that they are strong and they can do what they want in the city and just run over our city with whatever they are doing.
We can help the CCP paint the boards also. So we've got lots of people who want to come out and take action.
So we are giving the CCP about a week's
Yeah,
time
this week,
and if nothing happens, then we are going to tell the CCP that come and we'll act. So I would request, I think it's something when it belongs to nobody, it's nobody's, no one wants to take action. I think we need to keep our city clean and free from all this litter of boats which is all over.
Thank you. Okay.